stage. Littlest feet make the biggest footprints in our hearts. This is so true with the infant stage. Infancy is the first stage of man's life. It is full of innocence, purity, and charm. He is the apple of his mother's eye. He wins the hearts of everyone by his charm and enthralls everyone around him. A great deal of initial learning is provided at this stage. Very basic skills are mastered at this stage, such as crying, nursing, coordination, and ability to represent images and objects with words. Parents, especially mother, is his first teacher at this stage. There is an enduring tenderness in the heart of the mother. If the world casts him off, she will be the world to him. When we speak of infant stage, how can we forget Lord Krishna? He represents the early childhood of every infant. How he made Mother Yashoda run around by his mischiefs. Coming up is a glimpse into the ever-enchanting infancy of Balakrishna, which symbolizes the infant stage of every child.